In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to export our project and get our final video for uploading online or for any other reason we would like to use it for. And this is simply done by, if you have many sequences and you have your current sequence in active, and we have that sequence and the other one, so we're gonna choose our desired sequence and we're gonna press on I in point, and then we're gonna get to the end of our clip and press on O for the out point, and we're gonna go to our file, then export media, or command M and control M for Windows. Then you're gonna see that export settings, and we have our video in here. We can adjust our in and out points again from here. This is another place, like most of the things can be done from multiple places. And we have our video duration is 56 seconds, and our format will be H264, and we can choose from other formats, but this one is a high quality format that will be giving you a great video quality with a good size and the most common used for almost everything. Of course, you can get only audio file, for example MP3, and you can get a 4K file that matches the Apple settings. It's gonna be a .mov file, and you can choose that if you wanna get a file like that from here. Even TIFF file, but we're gonna stick with the 264 for most of our videos. And for the preset, we have many presets in here. We can leave it like that. It's gonna match our source, which is our sequence settings. I really recommend that you go and scroll down to YouTube preset, which is like 1080p HD. Okay, you have the 4K preset, but let's stick with this one because it's gonna give you a very large file and you're not gonna use it, and your eye will not tell that much difference between that file. So let's choose that one. You can also choose other formats, Apple, Android for quick access, or even Vimeo if you would like to. So let's choose YouTube 1080p. If you want to get a small file for a quick preview, or you want to send it to a client, or you want to just get a small file for any other reason, you can try that 720p for a smaller size, or even the 480p, but try that one, it's fine. It's gonna give you a much less file. And if you want to go with that, that's fine. I'm gonna tell you about another trick that will give you a very small file with a very high quality, which is using the program called Handbrake, open source. Google that and get that program. It's called Handbrake, and it's amazing program that makes your high quality video in much smaller file without compromising the quality. So now we have the video settings in here, and we're gonna leave it as it is because it's a preset. We don't want to mess with that. But anyway, we have the width and the height, and if you change anything, it's not gonna be the same preset settings. But for example, we have target bitrate, which really controls the quality of the file. If you get it to 30, you will get amazing quality but with very large size, and if you make it to 103, you're gonna get very small file with some decent quality or good one. And 16 is good too, and so common, so you can use it for the moderate file size, and you can go to 30 for high quality and 1 or 3 for low file, and you can reduce that by reducing this one, or choosing another preset, or even use the Handbrake software, which I really recommend for that. Then you're gonna use maximum render quality. It's not gonna affect your file size, but it's gonna take a longer while for exporting. Here's our output name. You can choose to save it in anywhere with your desired name. Okay, and for that format file, it's gonna give you a MP4 file with a high quality settings, and it's gonna be suitable for most of your internet requirements. So we can export our file or even press on Q, which will get us into Adobe Media Encoder, which is basically used for exporting multiple sequences at the same time to save your time. So Q is like putting them in a queue, and the program will handle your sequences together. So you can For example, you have jellyfish sequence and the landing sequence and many other sequences, and you can add them to queue, and the media encoder will be exporting your files one after another while you are working already in the Adobe Premiere program. That's it for our lesson. I hope it was all clear for you, and I hope that you are so familiar with the Adobe Premiere program now. And if you have any question, go ahead and ask me. And I hope to see you more courses. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you, wishing you all the best, and see you. Bye.